Good morning, everybody, or afternoon. We are here today at Zuni Reservation, looking at the Sacred Mountain, and we're right now at a place called Kakima. This is where we have our guy's stone standing on top of this hill, and we will be driving along, taking a picture of the Sacred Mountain, where the Zunis survived during the Great Flood and the Spanish, I guess, invasion. Because they went up these mountains. As you can tell, it's hard to climb and everything. But once they got up top, you know, the Spanish were down there on the bottom. All they did was push off the rocks and conquered them that way. So enjoy your view as we drive around to see how this GoPro works, and I will shut up to where y'all can enjoy.